Hey, what up? We in Vonte's world.
Vonte's world.
Vonte's world. We're just living in it.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Actually, I got the Rex with me. Rex. Actually, I got the recipe. Yeah. Actually, these niggas mad at me. Why? Mad at me cause I smash his freak. Damn.
Alright, y'all. So like I said, man, you know, I got the Durango here. I'm about to show y'all finally what it's looking like, and hopefully y'all can hear me. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted by this music going on. But I'm gonna do a quick before, show y'all what it was looking like before. So I'm about to play the clip right now. This what it's looking like. We got the black rims now with the red calipers on there. Oh, let me show you that shit real quick. Red calipers, black rims. So we still got some projects to do on this thing, but as y'all can see, we had a little rust spot right here. Both of those is eliminated now. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, the car is dirty because it's been raining and shit, but for the most part, that's what it's looking like, man. And we had the rust on the trunk, and that's gone now. You know what I'm saying? Nice and smooth. Everything is cool. So that's what it's looking like, man. Still got to get the windows tinted on there. Y'all can see we still got this little plastic trim on there for when the window, those little shutters is on there, but we're gonna take that off. And then we got this little pin striping that's on here. Like, we're gonna remove that. This Durango's right here, that's all gonna be red. I'm gonna wrap that with some red vinyl. This shit, the trim right here, that's coming off. I mean, the pin striping, I'm taking all that off. So this is what it's looking like right now, man. But we still got a couple more things to do to it. You know what I'm saying? Still got a couple more things to do. I'll probably eventually swap out those headlights, put some different type of headlights in there. That's what it's looking like though, man. That's what it's looking like right there. You know what I'm saying? Durango, baby. Look, man. Today, as you can see, it's snowing outside. It's a whole lot of snow on the ground. And today, it's Christmas. It's actually Christmas today. So, by the time you see this video, it probably won't be Christmas no more. But, like I said, man, we got a lot of snow outside today. So, I'm in an empty parking lot. I got the Durango right here. And you know what we finna do? We finna do some donuts in the snow, man. Real quick, just to give y'all this entertaining footage right here. We about to play in the snow, you know what I'm saying? So, this what it is right here, you know what I'm saying? We about to get popping in the Durango. Got this bad boy right here, you know what I'm saying? As y'all can see, it's snowing, it's coming down, so hopefully it ain't too bad. Hopefully y'all can still see it, but I'm about to set this camera up right here real quick, and then, you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna bring y'all some footage of me going crazy, burning out in the snow. You know what I'm saying? So let me see this real quick. We're gonna set this boy up right here. You know what I'm saying? Make sure we can see everything. Damn, there's so much snow on the wind. Y'all probably couldn't even see it. Hopefully, man, y'all was able to enjoy that footage. It's so much goddamn snow on this lens. Y'all probably couldn't even see it. Hold on, let me turn this off and wipe this lens off real quick. This don't make no sense. 80% of my views are coming from people that's not subscribed to the channel. What do I gotta do to get y'all to subscribe to the channel, man? Let me know. I would do it. So, you know what I'm saying? Y'all watching the videos, y'all obviously being entertained. Hit the subscribe button, man. That's the least you can do for all my hard work that go into this shit. And, you know, all the work that I put in behind the scenes. You know what I'm saying? So, that's it, man. That's all I want to say, man. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. We are doing the giveaway at 1,500 subs as well. So, stay tuned in for that, man. But just like that, we up out of here.
And subscribe to my YouTube channel and my Uncle Bob's YouTube channel and my brother's YouTube channel. Because all of us got YouTube channels.